Hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, that is the time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight. The Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state.
Kindly drag your bodies away from the walls of the beds and throughout the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue on adventure. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you insist on lagging behind, you may not need to volunteer. Sanctum of the Spirit will accommodate you and one or two loved ones. Kindly watch your step as you board, please. We spirits haunt our best in gloomy darkness, so remember, no flash pictures.
Safety bar, please. I will now report you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Buona successo. Puedes casentarlo y mantén las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del perro. Y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
We find it delightfully unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps, and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
Let there be music from regions beyond. And witches, wherever you dwell, give us a gift by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake, and they'll be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Remain seated, your tour will now continue.
spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment.
Spooks of every size.
Even those treated into a situation.
Happy watch materialize and begin to fill large with rainbows come to
Close your eyes and go try to hide for the city's makes it hard your side. Everything to terrorize.
There you are. And just in time. There's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our order, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit by stepping away from the cars with your left foot first. Step out.
Be sure to bring your left circle